Hello everyone, let's move ahead. Here we are securing our hair with 3 rubber bands and then we are folding them. We are going to make a braid as shown in the video, taking hair little by little from both the sides as shown in the video, and when it's done you can apply any hair clip or any clutches to it. Let's move ahead. Here we are going to make a ponytail by using 2 rubber bands, passing them through each other so that this hairstyle can be made. Repeating the steps and then losing our hair a little bit, we are making this beautiful heart-shaped low bun. Next, we are going to take our hair from both the sides, twist it around, placing it in the clip, 2 braids at the bottom, folding it out in the opposite direction, and then you can see your hairstyle is done. Next, we are placing a clip in our hair, taking parts by parts from both the sides and securing it with the help of a clip. Next, we are going to take hair from both the sides and then we are going to loosen up a little bit, braid at one side, again folding it into this bun. After that, you can see our hairstyle is done. Here we have applied these beautiful star clips. Next, we are going to secure our hair by using black rubber band. We are making 2 braids in the total, folding it out above as shown in the video, and then we are going to place some bobby pins to keep it secure, and our beautiful hairstyle is ready. Next, we are going to make 2 loose braids and then folding it into the opposite direction. After that, you can see our hairstyle is done. Next, we are going to take 2 rubber bands, making some ponytails, leaving rest of the hair untied. We are going to make this beautiful heart-shaped low bun and applying this rubber band to it. Next, we are going to take some part of hair at the back and then making a braid out of it, and then to the remaining hair we are securing it together with rubber bands, and then you can see your beautiful hairstyle is done. Now you can apply any hair clip or rubber band to it to make it look more beautiful. Next, we are going to take a ponytail at the back and then taking 2 parts of hair, folding it into the ponytail and then applying this clip.